Hey, I'm Kevin Byrd with the Dustless Blasting DB500 Mobile S. Now, I've used this thing on everything from doors, fenders, whole cars, Jeep bumpers, you name it, and it's amazing how fast it strips paint, undercoating, sound deadening, and rust. When we start using this machine here, we get done with our projects in a fraction of the time it used to take us to do it by hand. This is a very easy machine to learn how to operate. You don't need a textbook to do it, and they've got tons of videos online to help you really dial in and master this machine. It makes surface prep the easiest part of our projects. Half the time, Willie and I are fighting over who gets to use the machine. To find out more, check out dustlessblasting.com.